All right, let's take a look at this fender and see if we can pull it out. I mean, at the moment, I'm planning on buying another one, but let's just see if we can really fix this one. All right, that's just a rough end. We got a dent right here and a couple little dents there. If I pull those out, there's some dents here. Pour them out, beat this real good, put a coat of mud on it. I don't have to change the fender now. Alright, we got all the body work done on the roof. So we're gonna go ahead and get ready to tape up the roof and get it primed up. All the body work been done, all the dents been fixing the roof.